everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and namhlanje ke sikhuluma ke ngonkosikazi kaMsamseleko uMakhwela uSamnge, the last makoti untanga kaSine. Abantu abaningi guys ke bafuna ukwazi ukuthi ke uMendo umphethe kanjani lapha na ke kwaMseleko, and siyambona guys ukuthi ke une relationship enhle kakhulu ke no mamkhulu ke uMacele. Asikamboni ke nabonye umamncane ukuthi sekwaze kwalunga yini. So abantu ke they have interest actually, baqhubeka la kwagcina khona ke uthando nesithembu. So abanye ke abantu bembuza ke ngemotherhood because uye wafaka lapha na ke ku Instagram wathi ke umuntu nomuntu akambuza ukuthi yini angafisa ukuyazi ngaye. Base imbuza kakhulu ke ngemotherhood wesiyaphendula kwathi eminye imibuzo yenu ideep kakhulu ngiyangikwazi ukuze ngiyiphendule, but lo ngizowuphendula ukuthi ke abantu baningi they were asking her about motherhood. A lot of you are asking about motherhood. Kwa motherhood kuneyinsuku guys, where I'm on top of this motherhood thing. Kwezinye motherhood inqumbe phansi. Some days I miss my life before having a baby, and some days I'm in love. I love this new life of being a parent. I'm navigating through kancane kancane. Guys, I got a very cha ukhuluma iqiniso la ka motherhood kunzima bakithi. Ukufisa ukuhamba ucanga ukuthi shiyazi I want to go somewhere, but ithi motherhood uzohlala la. So yeah, abantu ke benalo interest guys ukumbuza ukuthi sisikhamba kanjani emendweni. Eminye imibuzo ke azange azayiphendule, but lo uphendulile ke washo ukuthi cha kumnandi khona ubumama, kodwa nje kwesinye isikhathi hayi cha akumhambeli ke neze kahle. We are hoping guys ukuthi ke uzogcina se enjoy ngawa phela lapha kamsela ukufuneka izingane bakithi, kufuneka izingane yabo nje mangabe ungathula abantwana akukho mnandi kumsele kwathi ufuna ingane eziwu20 at the moment. I think usagijima ko 13 weingane. So nje uMakhwela akajime abe ready ngoba ke ulandlele lokho kahle kahle lapha kaMseleko. Oh yes guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.